Hi guys, it's Bicana. Thanks for, sorry, my head is itching. Hi guys, it's Bicana. Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Today I'm going to be talking about the Vanity Box hair. This is the hair that I currently have in my hair right now, and I'm not even going to lie, I love this hair. It's holding up so well. But if you want to keep hearing more, just stay tuned. So 2 weeks ago I went to the city and I'm like, oh my god, perfect timing for me to buy some Vanity Box hair because some of my favorite YouTubers and bloggers have Vanity Box hair. And I'm like, oh my god, it's really cute, I want it. So I went into the Queens location and I looked around the store and it was like honestly like so amazing. The lady was really nice. I didn't catch her name, but the customer service was absolutely like thumbs up, 10 fingers up. I don't know what that was, but she was so nice and just so helpful, and I really appreciated that. Like, the business is about the people who are buying things from you and what you can provide, and they definitely provided a service, and it was an excellent service. So when I went into the Vanity Box, when I actually left, this is what I left with. The packaging is so cute. On the front of the bag, it just says the Vanity Box Premium Virgin Hair. And on the back, it says hashtag Vanity Vixen. And then below that, it just has the vanityboxhair.com. Inside the bag, received my hair in this package, which is just hashtag Vanity Vixen and the website, thevanityboxhair.com. And on the front, it just says the Vanity Box Premium Virgin Hair, just like the bag. Inside of this, which looks kind of like a cylinder, and I opened it from both ends, which is really helpful, came some like pink tulle, and I have that like right here. The hair was wrapped up in this, and it basically looked much better than how I'm making it look right now. It came in, the 3 bundles that I received came in this wrapping, and it was inside the box. And then the closure packaging came inside this as well, and her makeup is so cute. It just looks really nice. So my closure is Brazilian wavy, made with Swiss lace, and the parting is a freestyle parting, and it's a 3.5 by 4, and it's 14 inches. And I have it in right now, and I like it a lot. I like it. I'm gonna insert some video clips just of me showing the closure. Like, it was pretty thick and everything just looks really nice. I was playing with that part the most because I didn't want to mess up my bundles, so I was playing with that part a lot. And funny story, I actually wanted to bleach my knots, but I completely messed up. I went overtime and then ended up like getting bleach through the knots and up on the roots of the hair. So it kind of looked pretty funny, but it wasn't too noticeable, and I do have like some leave out along the perimeter of my head, so it doesn't show the blonde hair at the roots. So I thought that was pretty funny. Also in the box there's tulle, so it was basically like sticking out like this as I was walking around. People were like, oh my gosh, what is that, what did you buy? And some people who knew the company were like, you bought some Vanity Box hair, oh my gosh, like what did you get, show me. So I was here showing people the hair and everything. They were playing with it. I'm like, okay. Bye. Yeah, but this is one of my bundles. I'm pretty sure this is a 16-inch. Well, this is not the bundle, that would be pretty sad, but this is what's left over. I have 3 bundles and a closure in my head right now. As you can see, the hair is like really nice. The curl is actually really cute, and I think this is like a steamed curl because when I washed it, it actually came out really wavy because I did get Brazilian wavy, and I'm gonna tell you like all that info when I'm done with the packaging. So just in the box there was like this, the Vanity Box Virgin Hair 101. It was like your personal product guide, and in this it just talks about like the length of the hair, a smell that you might get, the ends, and I'm sorry if you hear this in the background, but they're having fun. It just talks all about our hair, your hair, if you get it. It talks about what is virgin human hair, your ends, some of the bundles look different, why is that, um, hair color, coarse and dull hair, and all about the vanity box, like why your hair looks short or whatever. I thought this was really, really nice to give, especially if it's somebody who's like buying hair for the first time. This can really help a person out. And then in that, they also like gave just some promotional things that talks about their bundle deals, and some other cards just show like different hair texture, like their natural. I keep saying a lot. I think I'm gonna try to put a little check or ding every time I say from now on, or from every time I said So the hair, it just talks about some, oh my god, okay, I'm just gonna move on to a different topic. They gave some cards and it was really, really helpful, and it's really, really nice. Definitely check their Instagram out. I'm pretty sure it's just the Vanity Box Hair, and their Facebook and Twitter is Vanity Box Hair. If I'm wrong, I will put everything down in the description box, so check out for that too. So the hair that I got is Brazilian wavy, and I had got 16-inch, 18-inch, and a 20-inch. The bundles were actually really nice. It's double wefted, and the wefts actually look pretty thick. The bundles that I got were pretty thick. The one thing I'd say though is that the 20-inch was kind of a bit thin, but when I put it in my hair, I'm like, okay, it's really natural looking. Like it definitely just fades into a natural thin ends, and I like that rather than it be thick all the way through or thin all the way through, God forbid. So that was actually really nice. I actually really, really love the texture too when I wet it, because I got my hair done last week and I bought my hair 2 weeks ago. So when I had got my hair done, my hairdresser curled it, but you know, I went to the lake right after that and I went in the water and my hair got wet, so I'm like, damn, I have to wash my hair. And when I washed it and the curl patterns came through, I'm like, wow, this is so beautiful. It was like really wavy and actually really, really, really cute. Like I didn't have to wave it myself. Like if you look, if I could actually show you, even me combing it through, and there's no tangles. Even with me just combing it through, you can see, like, I haven't curled my hair, honey. I haven't put any waves in my hair, honey. Like, it's actually like holding up pretty well. If you can see those, just the waves that they have, like, it's not bad. I actually really like it. And with regards to like tangling, there basically is none, or I could just say it's minimal. Like my hand will snag, but that's like pretty natural. So if I can get my hair tie out of the way, I can show you what I mean. So like if I rub my hand through, like it's not snagging, it's not tangling. I can rub my hand through the nape, and right now it's actually doing pretty well. So except for some, so it's like very minimal. But if I show you, it's like really cool. It's not tangling that much either. I'll probably get like one strand every couple days, or I'll only get like a strand if I'm rubbing my hand through and I rip it. Cause like if I look, I don't have any now to show you, but if I like, I can't show you. But if I do rip it and look at it, the strands aren't long enough to actually be like, the strands will be like this long. So I'm like, of course you ripped it. Everything's really, really going good. The nape part is just having me so happy because, see, like, that's not long enough to be 16, I don't think. I mean, it could be, but it's not like, it's not from the webs, because I don't see the little thing, or, you know what I mean? It's just, the shedding is so minimal, it's not even like realistic. What was I talking about again? What was I talking about? I'm just so happy about the nape part of the hair, because like every time I buy hair, this part always gets tangled, and I'm like, frig, like every time I rub my hand through, like I'm just like, you know, like, dang, can I get my hair back? But this is actually really nice because I can run my finger through, and my friends like must hate me so much because I'll be sitting there and I'm just like all the way through, and I get no tangles, so I'm really happy about that. I spent quite a few like bucks on this hair, and everything has been going really well. I'm gonna be coming back in like a couple months or even a couple weeks just to like give you updates on what's going on and how it's handling. Maybe it starts shedding more, who knows. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, this is my 4th time filming this video, and it's finally quiet now when I really want it to be quiet, but whatever. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share it with your friends or whatever. Everything helps. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.